Yes, children, now it's our exercise time. So, the exercise given in your workbook for this chapter, lesson 14, Mapping My Neighbourhood. Okay, the first exercise is tick the correct answer. Okay, tick the correct answer, and page number is 44. Okay, in your workbook, tick the correct answer. First one, a drawing of a large area with proper measurement is called. 4 options are given. A. Plan. B. Map. C. Sketch. D. Atlas. Plan means what? Plan. We learned about plan, sketch. Plan is a detailed draw of an area or for a place, we say. Map is a map we represent on in a paper. It's a larger area we represent on a paper using different symbols and colors. Sketch is a rough drawing. What about atlas? You know what is an atlas? A book of maps. A book of maps is called an atlas. A book of maps is called atlas. Sketch is a rough drawing of an area. Map, map we represent larger area we represent on a map with proper scale. Plan is a detailed draw of an area, of a place. So a drawing of large area with proper measurement or with proper scale, with proper measurement. Which among them is this? Which among them is the answer? Is it a plan? Is it a map, sketch, or atlas? Drawing of a large area with proper measurement is called map. So give a tick here. Now second one, the sun sets in the, we know sun rises in the east. So sets in the which direction? West. So 4 options are there. East direction, west direction, north direction, south direction. Children, the sun sets in the, yes, west direction. So here you have to give the tick. Okay, children? So a drawing of a large area with proper measurement is called map. The sun sets in the west direction. Okay. Yes, children. So our next question, third question is, a book of maps is called an A. Atlas, B. Sketch, C. Plan, D. Compass. A book of maps, it is called an atlas. So just give a tick here. Okay. Fourth one, it helps to represent the distance at small levels. It helps to represent the distance at small levels. In the map, to represent the distance, we use what? We use distance in small levels. We use a scale. So which is the answer among these 4 options? The answer is B, scale. So put a tick mark here. Okay. So a book of maps is called an atlas. Option A. It helps to represent the distance at small levels. That is option B, scale. Okay, children? Children, so our next exercise, second exercise in the workbook is tick the true and cross the false statements. So given are some statements are wrong here, are not true, they are false, but some statements are right, they are true. If it is true, just give a tick. If it is false, just give a cross mark. Our first statement is, for locating any new place, knowledge of directions is not important. For finding out or to reach a new place, to locate a new place, we need directions or not? Children, tell me, we need directions, right? Yes, so for locating any new place, knowledge of directions is important. But here they have given it is not important. So the given statement is wrong. So give a cross in the box. Second one, plan is drawn on a paper. It's true. Plan is drawn on a paper only, right? So give a tick mark. Third one, the 4 main directions are east, west, north and south. Yeah, it is right. So again, tick. Now fourth one, a map is a detailed drawing of a large area. A map is a detailed drawing of a large area. It is a true statement. So again a tick mark. Fifth one, we use same landmark to search different places. Is it true? We use different landmark, isn't it? How can we use same landmark to search different places? So the given statement is wrong. So the answer is false. Answer means the statement is false. So we have to give a cross mark. Okay. Again we will read those statements, children. First statement is, for locating any new place, knowledge of directions is not important. The statement is false. So we have to give a cross mark. Plan is drawn on a paper. It is a true statement. So give a tick mark. Third one, the four main directions are east, west, north and south. It is a true statement. So give a tick mark. Then fourth one, a map is a detailed drawing of a large area. It is a true statement. So give again a tick mark. Now we use same landmark to search different places. The statement is wrong. So give a cross mark. Okay children? Children, so our third exercise in the workbook is fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So there is a box where you can see different words. 5 words are given. Okay, which are those words? Sketch, S-K-E-T-C-H, sketch. Directions, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Atlas, A-T-L-A-S, atlas. P-L-A-N, plan. Then last word is knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. So 5 words are given in the box. So here 5 questions also are there. You have to choose a correct answer, correct word from the box, and you have to write. First question, dash help us to locate places. Dash help us to locate places. Find out the word from the box, children. Which is the correct word? Dash help us to locate places. Yes, directions help us to locate places. Directions. Okay, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Second, dash is a rough drawing of a place. A rough drawing of a place is called, yes, it is a sketch. Sketch is a rough drawing of a place. S-K-E-T-C-H, sketch. Sketch. Third, a dash is a detailed drawing of a small area. Detailed drawing on a small area is a plan. A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area. A plan. P-L-A-N, plan. Fourth one, a book of maps is called an dash. A book which contains full of maps. A book of maps it is called. Book contains maps. Name of that book is an atlas. A book of maps is called an atlas. A-T-L-A-S, atlas. Fifth one, for locating any new place, dash of directions is very important. For locating a new place, we should know about the directions. So we say knowledge of directions is important. Knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. Understood? So first question is, dash help us to locate places. Dash help us to locate places. Directions help us to locate places. Second, dash is a rough drawing of a place. Sketch is a rough drawing of a place. Third, a dash is a detailed drawing of a small area. A detailed drawing of a small area is called a plan. P-L-A-N, plan. Fourth one, a book of maps is called an atlas. ATLAS, atlas. Fifth one, for locating any new place, dash of directions is very important. Knowledge of directions is very important. Okay, children? Children, our next exercise, fourth exercise in the workbook is match the following. Here in column A, under column A, there are some pictures given in your textbook. You can see the pictures given. Okay. Column B, A, B, C, D, E, the words are given. You have to match these words with the pictures, or you can match the pictures with the words. Okay. So you can see the image here. Now you have to match. First image is what? Children, say the image. First image is image of an aeroplane. Okay. Aeroplane matches with, here which word? Yes, airport. So 1 and C matches. Then next image is image of a petrol pump, isn't it? Petrol pump. So here petrol pump word is this, 2 matches with D. Then third one is an image of a, see the image, children? Yes, it is an image of a taxi. So it is, third one goes to E, taxi stand. Now fourth one, it is an image of a church. So fourth one matches with A. The last one, fifth one, H means what? Hotel. So fifth one matches with B. Understood? So it's so easy, children. Just you match the pictures with the words given. Okay. Children, so our fifth exercise in the workbook is answer the following questions. So the first question is, what is a compass? What is a compass? Yes. Read the answer, children. A compass looks like a watch. It looks like a watch that always points towards which direction? North direction, comma, from which we can find other directions. Okay. So read again, children. What is a compass? A compass looks like a watch that always points towards north direction, comma, from which we can find other directions. Second question. Name the 4 major directions. Which are the 4 major directions, children? Answer. The 4 major directions are north, south, east, west. Okay, good. Third one. Name the 4 sub-directions. Which are the 4 sub-directions? Yes, read. Answer. The 4 sub-directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Okay. So just read again all the questions and answers, children. What is a compass? A compass looks like a watch that always points towards north direction, from which we can find other directions. Second, name the 4 major directions. The 4 major directions are north, south, east, west. East, west, east and west. Third one, name the 4 sub-directions. The 4 sub-directions are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Okay. Children, next question is 4th question. Distinguish between sketch and a plan. Distinguish means you have to write the difference between sketch and a plan. Answer. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place having symbols of important landmarks around the place. Full stop. A plan is a detailed drawing or sketch of a small area made by viewing it from the top. Viewing from top is called aerial view, top view. So read the question, children. Yes, come on. Distinguish between sketch and a plan. You have to write the difference between sketch and a plan. Now read the answer. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place having symbols of important landmarks around the place. full stop. A plan is a detailed drawing or sketch of a small area made by viewing it from the top. Okay? Children, our fifth question is, what is a map? Read the question. What is a map? Yes, what is the answer? Read. A map is a drawing of a large area with proper measurements and has a scale to represent the distance at small levels. If distance is 300 km from one place to another, we can't show it on a map. We won't able to show. We will show, but in small levels. So what is a map? A map is a drawing of a large area with proper measurements and has a scale to represent the distance at small levels. Full stop. Sixth question is, what are the color codes used in maps? You know there are different colors we use in maps to show various or different places, isn't it? So which are those colors? Tell me. Answer is, color codes are used in maps are blue color, isn't it? Blue for water bodies, blue color for water bodies, comma, then brown color for what? For mountains, and green color for forest, isn't it? So what are the color codes used in maps? Color codes used in maps are blue color for water bodies, brown color for mountains, and green color for forest. Okay, so what is a map? A map is a drawing of large area with proper measurements and has a scale to represent the distance at small levels. Sixth question, what are the color codes used in maps? The color codes used in maps are blue color for water bodies, brown color for mountains, and green color for forest. Children, next, HOTS. A hot question we say, okay? You have to think and answer. That's why it's HOTS. Why is globe more accurate than a flat map? What's the question? Read it. Why is globe more accurate than a flat map? Do you know what is a globe? G-L-O-B-E, globe. Globe means a model of earth. What is that? What is a globe? A model of earth. You can see globe in the schools and all, no? On the principal's table, we can see a globe. In the school, there is globes. There are globes. Okay? Picture of globe you have seen, isn't it? Globe. So it is a model of earth. On a stand it will be globe, round it will be. We can twist it, we can move it. Okay. So why is globe more accurate than a map? Why this globe is more clear or accurate, exact than a map? The answer is, a globe is more accurate. It is more accurate, more perfect we say. More exact we say, more clear we say, than a flat map, because the reason is it mimics the true shape of the earth, means it includes, it contains true shape of the earth. I told you globe is the model of earth, so it mimics, it includes, it contains the true shape of the earth and is able to accurately portray continent shapes and distance between land masses. Is able to accurately, perfectly, exactly, in detailed way portray continent shapes. Portray means it shows, it depicts, or it shows continent shapes. There are 7 continents marked in the map and also in the globe. Okay, we have 7 continents on earth. So those continents shape of the continents. Okay, shape of those continents and distance between them, distance between the land masses, the land of the earth, distance between them. Everything is marked very clearly on the globe. So why is globe more accurate than a map? Map means it is a flat thing, we can hang it on a wall. It is not that, it is clear but not that perfect as globe we say, isn't it? Map we know, drawn on a larger area with proper measurement. But a globe is more accurate than a flat map because it mimics the true shape of the earth. It contains the true shape of the earth and is able to accurately portray, means show, it is showing very perfectly the continent shapes of the continent and distance between them, distance between land masses. Okay. Next is value based questions. Just now we finished HOTS question, isn't it? HOTS question we have to think and answer. They are something out of box we say, means something connected to the topic we learned. Not exactly from the topic, something connected to that. It can be little bit a different topic, not different, same topic but connected to the things we learned. So you have to think about it and answer. This value based question is something teaches us some value. Okay. How maps and plans are important in finding places. For finding places we use maps. How it is important? Maps and plans represent the real world on a much smaller scale. They represent the real world, actually the world we live. It represents the real world. Real world is a big thing, isn't it? Big area, but in maps and plans it is representing on a smaller scale. They help you travel from one location to another. Maps and plans help us to travel from one place to another. They help you organize information. We get information from them, from maps. They help you figure out where you are. It helps us to know where we are and how to get where you want to go. Where you want to go, where you are, all information we get from maps and plans. Then where you are, then where you want to go. Full stop. Maps and plans help us to know distances between the two areas, two places, to show mountains, plains, oceans, rivers, etc. The distance we will come to know. Okay. The countries, states, cities, villages, etc. The distance of these countries, states, villages. And information on roads. We get information on roads, rainfall, forest, industries. All this information we get on maps and plans, isn't it? That is a good value you learned today, isn't it? This many information we are getting from maps and plans. So how maps and plans are important in finding places? Maps and plans represents the real world on a much smaller scale. They help you travel from one location to another. They help you organize information. They help you figure out where you are. You can find out where you are and how to get where you want to go. Full stop. Maps and plans help us to know distances of what? To show mountains, plains, oceans, rivers, etc. The countries, states, cities, villages, etc. And information on roads, rainfall, forests, industries, etc. Okay, children? Last is a project work in your workbook, page number 47. Draw a sketch of the way from your home to your school. Describe how you reach your school. You have to draw a sketch. I have drawn you a sketch, a rough sketch I drew from Rahul house to Rani's house, in between market, bank and all. Like that you can draw a sketch, a rough sketch from where? From your home to school. And between, if any landmark is there, that you have to draw. Describe how you reach your school. You have to tell, from here you have to go straight, then turn left, right. All these things you have to explain in that. Okay. So draw a sketch, a rough sketch from your home to school, showing different landmarks and explain or describe how you will reach your school.